about 6 weeks now, and so yeah, it's time for a retwist, which I'm looking forward to. And so I said, let me get on here and say hello. But anyway, for everybody that's joining me for the first time, hey you guys. And for everybody else who's been here from the beginning, hey. How y'all doing? Okay, so let me give you a little quick update. I'm trying to, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it because I don't know, I didn't check with her first and all this other stuff, so I have to respect her boundaries and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So, but so I do not know if I'll have any footage from the house, but I mean not from the house, from in the studio. Not the studio, I can't even get together. In the salon. I'll try. I'll definitely give you a before and after. But this is my hair now. Hold on, I don't have one of those things. I don't have a thing for my car yet, because I just really don't be in here like that. And then I don't ever vlog in here, so it's never been that important for me to get it, you know what I'm saying? But anywho, so I gotta have my hand up here. So let's see what this hair is doing. So what I did was, it's been 6 weeks since I had my lock extensions, and I'm going to get a retwist in the style that still came with the installation. So this is kind of like a maintenance hairstyle. So I'm like, okay, cool, girl. But even then, even if it wasn't that, I still would have went back to her for a retwist. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a lot of hair compared to what I'm used to. Sorry for the shaky camera, guys, but like what I'm used to doing. So you know, this is my first time even getting wet. My hair is still really wet right now. Not that I couldn't go to her and let her do the whole washing thing. What happened is that I needed to get my hair, I needed to get
2 miles, continue onto I-405 north.
Sorry, I have to take GPS everywhere out here, because I do not know I kind of know where I'm going now, but I still have to have a little direction. But anyway, so I did a color on it myself today, and I didn't think I got the right color. It's been a mess, okay? It's been a mess. So I didn't think I had the right color. And so I know the color I usually wear, but I mean the brand or whatever, but where I live, man, look. It ain't no, it's some beauty supplies, but I don't know where they at yet. And then I know of like a black owned one I heard, but I just don't know where it's at. I still haven't been there. So I just either ordered off of Amazon or something like that, and I didn't have time to do a job. I didn't have time to do it. So I was like, well, let me just go to Target and go through the, you know, ethnic aisle, but the ethnic line sucked too. I was like, oh, y'all trying it out here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Let me get it out of Orange County, because Orange County ain't for us, okay? Sorry. Because, you know, your girl's about to, you got to be out here on these freeways, honey, driving just as bad as them. So anyway, back to my point. So I got a light golden brown color, I think by Netruce. One of them box colors. And here's traffic. So I was kind of like, I don't know if this is gonna work, or is it gonna be too light? But it actually turned out to be a pretty good color. So what I'm gonna try to do, since there's traffic right here anyway, is try to let y'all see some of this. It matches pretty well. So I was just like, well, whatever. It ain't great, and as long as it wasn't great, I was good. How about that? When I'm ready to embrace my gray, I will. Right now, I'm not. I've been having gray hair since I was 16. So I'm like, shit, no. Sorry for the profanity. Wasn't trying to do that. This car was like right here. Yeah. So anyway, at any rate, how have I been liking my lock extensions? This is the first time I got them wet, so they were a little heavy, but that's to be expected. But they haven't unraveled or anything. I literally just washed my hair literally less than 30 minutes ago, so it still was dripping wet when I was in the car. I got my little towel over here too, so let me make sure I'm at where I'm at, y'all. 7th Street. And I got my third hole. It's been irritating me, you guys. I'm just doing the most. I know it. Normally I'm together, but sometimes when I have to, see, got my towel. When I have to do,
Take exit 23 onto CA 22 West and 7th Street toward Long Beach.
child, let me get over, honey. Oh, okay. Both of them was gonna do that anyway. Okay, cool. So yeah.
In 5.5 miles, turn left onto Orange Avenue.
I'm gonna try to edit all that out. I'm trying to say. But anyway, I have to get on when I'm feeling it, because I don't be feeling it often, and I want to give you guys more content than what I have been doing, and I've been appreciating the subscribers that I'm getting and everything, and I don't want y'all to think I'm just out here being whack. You know what I'm saying? Just like, how she gonna just do this and then I show up like she not doing what she need to be doing? Like, no, girl. It's just because this thing called life. It's all. It's just this thing called life. It be a lot, and then I've been trying to get my kids registered for school. You know, school time with everything going on. It's just crazy. Okay, crazy is a understatement. Okay. So, anywho's back to the hair. Like I said, I haven't noticed anything between the time I'm having lock extensions right now. Is everything still cool, easy breezy? You know what I'm saying? I just have it most of the time up like this, just up in, you know, a bun / ponytail type thing, you know. That's just my deal. I haven't really done a lot of styles or anything like that because I just haven't, and so haven't really gone anywhere, haven't been doing any videos, but I'm gonna do more, and I'll do more styles, you know what I'm saying? It's hard. It's like, what am I doing the style? I mean, well, I don't want to say what I'm doing for. I ain't going nowhere. But just for my content, for content would be great, you know. So I will try to do more stuff like that. This is just like a little get together update, kind of like a, you know, a brief, hey, I'm still alive, I haven't forgot about you guys, but I'm about to go get my hair done, so I better just come in and give you a before and an after type deal. Child, let's just pray this car behind me don't hit me, child. Please don't. I wanted to give you more of my hair, but you know, that's the color. They're still kind of wet. They're super soft though. It's soft. I didn't put nothing on it. I just did like a clarifying shampoo or whatever. You can tell my hair is still wet by the edges, but I just did a clarifying shampoo on it, because I'll do a video about how I wash my hair. I guess I can do that. But I don't go out, you know, I don't do too much to it. Normally if I put color in it, I do try to put a little condition, a dab. Nothing that's gonna be all thick, creamy. I don't do nothing like that, but just a little something, just because I put color in my hair. But I didn't have a chance to do all that. I just washed it and got so I don't know if she's gonna wash it again. I mean, she can, because I have did it. I just made sure that color was out of my hair. You know what I'm saying?
In the left 2 lanes.
Left 2 lanes, you guys. Let's see. Am I in the right? Yeah. I know where I'm going now. So basically, I'm on 7th Street, headed to Long Beach right now. We'll give you a little footage of where I'm at, but it look. Did he just fall? Oh. Sorry. It's salon skateboarding out here. This dude just fell on his butt, but I didn't get that on camera. But anyway, this is supposed to be a lock video. So yeah, I just kind of got it like up in a bun / messy ponytail, which is kind of what I rock with, to be honest. That's my everyday hairstyle. It really is. I'm sorry I'm looking not up to par, but I just want to get on and say, hey guys, I'm alive and here. I'm trying to figure out, do I have a game plan for my content? You know, I kind of do, kind of don't, okay, to be honest. But I know all I can promise is that I'll be on more and doing what I can do, you know what I'm saying, to bring the content. Okay, sorry, that light was a lot of light in my face. What else? But yeah, I've been liking them, you know what I'm saying. I've really been liking them. I'm gonna try to get an updo. Usually when I get styles and get updos, even when I was a loose natural, it was just like I want them to be up, but then my head start itching. I do have a new product I'm using, but I'll wait and bring that to another video. I ain't gonna put that in this video, but I will be sharing that. But yeah, I just you know, haven't really had any complaints. So I'm trying to do the up video and grease my scalp real good, and I'll be back to let you guys know what that looked like. But other than that, shoot, I just been chilling and trying to get my stuff together. There be so much going on out here in Long Beach, it don't even make sense. I'll be here for it though, cause ain't nothing going on in Orange County. Okay? Nothing. So I will be back on a little later, because I don't think I have don't have a lot of battery in this phone. I have my other phone. I don't really like taping with my iPhone, and I haven't gotten a camera yet. So I was like, I ain't trying to invest that much until I start investing more in YouTube, and then I will do that. But other than that, child. So I'll just give you a little bit. Right now, I'm on 7th Street and in Long Beach right now. I'm about to run this light. Yes. Gotta love it. So, anyways, not much to see. It's a lot of traffic on the street, so I have to pay attention. So I will be back to let you guys see, try to see if I can get some footage in there. If not, I'll just be back to show you my hair. To show you my hair. And I gotta find parking. It's just a whole thing within a thing. When I come out here, it's always so much that I have to do. And looking for parking. That's why I like to get dropped off, to be honest, because then I don't have to worry about the traffic that is everywhere out here. And parking is so bad, and I just don't understand why it's bad, but it's just bad. And I just be like, why? Jeez, my knees. Anyway, I'm babbling again. So like I said, lock extension is still going strong. 6 weeks in, almost 7 or 8, really. No, not 8, I'm pushing it, but almost there. And I'm still loving it. Everything is still copacetic. So I will be back with more footage and my style. Peace. the color a little bit better now. But close my door. I just wanted to come in and close out the video with the last results. Ting ting, ting ting, ting ting, ting ting. Okay, that was for thumbnails. If y'all know about the YouTubers, know we have to get that thumbnail picture together. But this was the last. I told her I wanted olive. I didn't want anything hanging down. I kind of look like a little, or like a ram, but it's okay. Like, I was like, I don't care. I think it's really cute, and I don't have to deal with it. And it's not super tight. It looks tight, but it isn't tight. I'm trying to see if I can do it behind, but I don't know what you can. Oh, yes, you can. Okay, there's a couple of BBs right there, but it's all good. So that's the end. Are you okay? Okay, good. So thank you for tuning in this video. It's like really short, and my bathroom is super small in here, so that's what that is. But I was trying to get the best light I could, but that's the best I could do in here. And I came back not looking my best, but you know, I usually give y'all a little bit more, but this is how I look on a regular day basis, okay? I get cute for these YouTube videos, but this is how I basically be looking around the house all day. But yeah, so thank you for tuning in. That's my son in the background. Hey. And thanks for tuning in to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of all over the place, but this is it for my lock extensions. I'm still liking them. They're still looking good, so I'm with it. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.